Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about how to create watercolor effect text. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's head over to Adobe Illustrator. Let's open a fresh document. Select Paintbrush from the Tools tab. You can select different styles of strokes. I am selecting the box style. I just want to change the appearance of my brush. I'm selecting the round tip of the brush. Increase the size of the brush. You can choose whatever size you like. Now draw simple paintbrush strokes like you would draw on a paper. You can draw as many as you like. Ctrl A to select all the strokes and increase the size. You can adjust the size of the strokes to as much as you like. You can adjust the opacity. I am lowering the opacity. Select all the strokes and press expand. Now you can collectively change the color of all the strokes. You can choose whichever color you like. I'm just putting one image to the left. Click and drag it to the right while pressing Alt key from the keyboard to copy it. From the Pathfinder tab, you can press Unite to create a flat image. Now use the pencil tool from the Tools tab and just soften the sides a bit. This is important for the watercolor texture which we are about to create. Now select the second object and change its color. You can choose whatever color you like. Now align both the objects to the center of the page. This will bring both the objects one over the other. You can adjust the sizes to your liking. Keeping the objects to the center of the page, we are going to export the object into a transparent background image. Now hide this object and lock this layer or delete it if you like. Drag the saved PNG image and bring it into the Adobe Illustrator page. Keeping it to the center once more, embed the image. Now select another layer. Select the text from the tools. Adjust the size and font as you like. Now type your text. I'm typing the amazing text effect. Once more, I would like to keep all my objects to the center of the page. That's good. Just adjusting the sizes once more. Keeping everything towards the center of the page, press Ctrl A to select all the layers. Right-click on the text and create clipping mask. And there you go. You have the amazing text effect in the watercolor mode. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button. Tell me how you find this video in the comments and also subscribe for more tutorials in the future.